In this quick video, I'm going to show you guys how you can copy and paste all kind of clip attributes onto another clip. And this will really speed up your editing workflow. And with clip attributes, I mean all kind of settings like position, size, rotation, and more. And this is super time saving, especially if you have lots of repetitive work to do, like animating graphics in a certain way or cropping your clips to a certain size. This shortcut will really speed up your editing workflow. So let's check it out. Here's a video I'm working on at the moment, and I built a little animation. So basically a graphic slides in and in the end it slides out again, and my video is also moving in and out. And what I want to do, I want to copy this effect onto another clip, which is still full frame and there's no cropping, no slide in, and so on. And to build it from scratch would take a lot of time. So what you can do now, you just mark the clip that you want to copy the attributes of, and then you press the keyboard shortcut Command C, and then you move over to the other clip, and then you press keyboard shortcut Option or Alt V. This window opens up and you can see all the attribute changes that are made already marked here. And I can just say apply. And now you can see this slides in nicely, but I'm still at the same position. That's why we also need to copy all the keyframes and attributes from this clip onto that clip. So I press Command C again to copy it, mark the clip, and then I say Option V. This window opens up again with all the attributes you can choose. The ones that are changed already marked, and I say apply. And now this should work the same way. You have the same animation now onto this clip. This shortcut will really save you tons of time. If you didn't know it, try it out yourself. And if you found this video helpful, please leave me a like and consider subscribing. I hope I see you in the next video.